Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable DoH and privacy leaks in Microsoft Edge. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To disable DNS over HTTPS, commonly known as DoH, in Microsoft Edge, start by opening the Edge browser on your device. Click on the three-dot menu icon located in the top right corner of the window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on Privacy, Search, and Services on the left sidebar. Scroll down to the section labeled Security. Locate the option for Use Secure DNS to specify how to look up the network address for websites and toggle it off. Once you have disabled this option, return to the main Settings menu. Next, locate the Privacy section and scroll to Address Bar and search. Click on it to open the relevant settings. Here, ensure that the search engine being used does not support DoH. You can also check any extensions installed on your Edge browser that may influence DNS settings. Consider disabling or removing any privacy extensions that may interfere with the default DNS settings. To further ensure your privacy, scroll back up to the Privacy, Search, and Services section. Under Clear Browsing Data, click on Choose What to Clear. Select the data types you wish to remove and click Clear Now. This action helps eliminate any lingering information that might cause privacy leaks. After making these adjustments, close the Settings tab to save your changes. You have now successfully disabled DoH and minimized potential privacy leaks in Microsoft Edge. Restart the browser to ensure all changes take effect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.